Hello, everyone, to all the targeted individuals around the world. God bless everyone. This is Pearly Gardiner. Targeted individual mind control victim since birth got sold out to Australian Security Intelligence Organization, ASIS, Australian Signal Directorate in the year 2000 via my honey trap ex-husband in the year 2000. Anyway, guys, just an update. As you can see, first, I would like to say something about my t-shirt because all of my old, I used to have 10 or 15 t-shirts like with these ones, like with targeted individuals like that. And because I thought that, I don't know, maybe they've erased that in my memory that I am actually a mind control victim, not just a targeted individual. Because I know for sure, according to Dr. Eric Karlstrom, Ramola D., and DOD whistleblower Brian Chu, that there are targeted individuals that are not mind control, but mostly are mind control. So it depends on what program they put you. But whichever program they put you into, they should have censorship, memory management, and direct behavioral control over the target. So guys, with my t-shirt, first of course my handler is good. He loves the twice psyop. First, I asked Bote. Bote is one of the Sydney blogger, and he's doing, this is his business as well, like with print t-shirts print. I asked him if he can give it for $20, one t-shirt, and he said yes. But when I sent him the design of the t-shirt, it took him a while to respond, and he said that he can't do it. So I didn't have a choice. I didn't have a choice. I have to find another one. With Bote, I don't know, because in the entertainment industry, for sure, lots of targeted individual as well, MK Ultra, mind control there, but without their knowledge. So I'm just hoping that Boti is not in, like, they can say, oh, you are in the team, but actually you're also a targeted individual. It can also be like that, So then I did post on Filipino Facebook pages, and I got this guy Ivan. So thank you, Ivan, for my what you call this one, for my t-shirt. But for sure, I know also that you're a perp, because in no way that my handler will let me talk to someone who is not plugged in to your paradigm in a box. Okay, guys. So that's just an introduction. But my update this afternoon is the first one is about the fake TIs. Okay. So currently, I have 5 targeted individuals, friends online, but I won't mention their names because I suspect that 2 targeted individuals, they're Filipinos. These 2, I suspect that they're fake, pretending to be a targeted individual. So the first one is a lady TI. I will mention one scenario that happened when I was still with my daughter. This was like 2 years ago, or more than 2 years ago, when we were still living in Geneva Crescent, number 19 in Seven Hills, with my mom and also with my daughter Sharon's boyfriend, who is also a perp, because I know for sure that my daughter Sharon is also a mind control targeted individual. This is by generation. And so this guy, the boyfriend of my daughter, he's a perp. So the scenario was this friend lady TI of mine. She asked me like, I'm coming to Sydney like this next week, like this, like that. So when she was in Sydney with her daughter and son, with her 2 children, she rang me and said, oh, by the way, Pearl, I missed my train to go back to, she lives in it's a regional 5 hours. I don't even know if that was true that she lives there anyway. 5 hours regional town. So and then what happened? I said, okay, you can come to my place and stay for, if it's only for one night. So I picked them up in Seven Hills train station like that. But first I actually asked permission from my son-in-law, the perp, the one who gave my daughter her first traumatic experience. So I asked him because we both of us are paying the rent there, so I have to ask his permission. And he was kind of like reluctant to say yes to me. He was kind of like, oh, telling my Sharon like, oh mom, why is that? Because like this, like my boyfriend doesn't want them to stay. If it's only one night, it's okay. Blah blah blah. To cut the long story short, I picked them up at the station. They stayed at my place like that. But now it all made sense now. It all made sense now that it was all for a situational scenario, like it's all about like they have to make a scenario situation like that, so that my relationship with my daughter, they have to make things up, like because my daughter is madly in love with the first boyfriend. Of course, like, she will not say, oh mom, she will take side of the boyfriend, not me. So that's one scenario. And then the second scenario, they actually stayed for 2 nights, and my Sharon told me that her boyfriend was upset that why they had to stay 2 nights. So that was all by manipulation and deception. It was all situational scenario, scripted. And the second scenario was when, I don't know, I can't remember when it was, when she came again to Sydney and said that, oh, you wanna meet up with me? I think I drove. Did I drove? And her hotel was in Parramatta, with her daughter. So I went there and I met her friend. She said to me, "Oh, I am taking a friend of mine. He will be the driver," like that, like that. And when I saw when I saw her friend, come on, dear handler in Hive Mind team, he really looked like a pedophile. So what do you want me to think about that guy? Of course, you're getting all of my synaptic emotional response. You're getting all of my brain frequency. You're reading my thoughts. When that time I was with that fake lady Ti, with her friend, and he really, like, God forgive me if I judge, but he really looked like those pedophiles. So for sure the Hive Mind team captured everything and read my thoughts that time that I was suspecting that this guy was actually a pedophile. So that was the second scenario that made me think. And not only that, like, I always confide to her like what's happening in this with my housemates here. I always confide to her, and then I tell her something like, oh, I don't want to take videos anymore and photos unless it's important to document it. And that's what I'm doing now. I don't take photos of a surveillance team. You Next time you send someone who's handsome. Maybe I will take a photo. Not the Indian mafia, please. Yeah, like, and then I told her like, oh, I don't want to take photos of them anymore. I've done that in the past, and Brian, whistleblower DOD Brian Chu said ignore them, and I did that. And then she said to me, why not? She said something. Oh, she was telling me why not to take photos and videos. So those are the things, and hint that I know for sure that she's a fake TI. She's a fake TI, and I can see in her eyes anyway that she is a fake TI. So because if she's a real targeted individual, she can't do what she's been doing right now. She can't do those things, and she's taking my sides, talking to me. Of course, all of my contact in my phone is compromised, surveillance team. I know all of the photos I take on this mobile, oh, my message to my mom, to anyone I message on Messenger, my emails, everything, I know that for sure because you are God. Remember? Surveillance team, you control everything. I know that. And to the Hive Mind team and to my handler, what made you think that I am getting psyop when I go to work, with currently work or whatever work where I go to? With your psyop that they mention something like this about my personal life. Am I that idiot that I wouldn't know that everything is, everything, online, emails, messenger, WhatsApp, SMS. Am I that idiot that I don't know that you know it? So what do I what frequency of brainwave did you get? Did I get harassed when they do subliminal on me? I don't think so. So going back to the fake TIs update anyways. So that's what happened with this lady TI, and I even actually confided with her, when the second time I got awakened, that, oh, I think, it's back now. It is back that the psyop is back again. And I confided to her. I actually verified that, their handler in Hive Mind team, that it's blue and green and you're stuck with the blue. And you're trying to sensitize me, give me stimuli with different colors, which is not working at all. And you know that. And also to the surveillance team, Hive Mind team, you also, what's this, with your the green and the orange, which those were my color psyop harassment in the first time I got awakened, and you brought it up. So what's the difference this time? What's the brain frequency this time? And also with the motorbike, I verified that now, right, guys? Those were the same harassment that you've done the first time I got awakened. So my question, what's the difference now? Was I was my brain frequency different from the first brain frequency wave that you had? I don't know. So, but you're stuck with the blue. Okay. Okay, now moving on to the second fake targeted individual. This one I'm not confirming, but I suspect only that he's a fake, a targeted individual. He's trying to tell me that my targeting is because of Freemason. Are you serious? Freemason. Are you telling me that the Freemason is powerful than the intelligence agencies? Nah, 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 nah. I'm not buying that at all, and I'm not stupid, because DOD whistleblower Brian Chu, Dr. Eric Karlstrom, Dr. Catherine Horton, Ramola D, the late, I don't know if it's confirmed, the late Dr. Robert Duncan. He is a CIA neuroscientist, whistleblower. I wish there is a. Oh, actually, he interviewed this guy. He claimed that he is a targeted individual. He's Australian. His name is Craig LaForest, and we are friends on Facebook. But I don't know about this guy. About this Craig LaForest, Australian TI. But he did had an interview with Dr. Robert Duncan. So I'm 50%, 50-50, if he is working really for the targeted individuals or for the Australian government. Particularly, of course, our three intelligence agencies, the ASIO, the ASIS, Australian Security Intelligence Organization, Australian Secret Intelligence Services, and the Australian Signal Directorate, who's in charge of my surveillance, digital surveillance, electronic surveillance. Okay, so that's all about this male TI telling me that it's about Freemason, that I have to find the Freemason here in Sydney. Where? No, 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 no. It's the intelligence agencies, particularly the Five Eye countries, MK Ultra before 1953, CIA. The CIA established this, developed this MK Ultra, and they thought it stopped in 1970s, but it did not. And there was even this video wherein former U.S. President Bill Clinton apologized to all of these MK Ultra mind control guinea pigs. Like me, I'm your guinea pig, SEO. Anyway, so moving on, that's about fake TIs. I have to have notes now because the Hive Mind team always bloody hijack my active memory. Okay, so now, okay, agencies. According to Dr. Eric Karlstrom, these intelligence agencies are being used by the Illuminatis with the goal of one world government, Antichrist Luciferian government. So if you're taking part of this and you were told that, oh, you will only just do this script. Oh my goodness. Or maybe you were told, oh, that lady is prostitute, she's a terrorist, whatever, like that, and you just bought that because this blue killer's telling you like, oh, you're just gonna do this, you're doing a duty for your nation, for your government. No, it's not. You're supporting the Illuminati, you're supporting an Antichrist Luciferian government. Because, and that's why they had all this Agenda 21 depopulation program. Yeah, like depopulation program wherein they use smart meters. Smart meters means to say that everything inside your house electronically, they know where you are. Smart meters, they know when did you use your washing machine, your kettle. They know when you switch on your light in your room, switch on the light in the bathroom. They know. That's the smart meter. And we have the chemtrail as well. Like this is different now. Next time I'll talk about it, because before I was raising awareness of all of these things. Agenda 21 depopulation program with the New World Order, chemtrails, 5G, those cell towers, and that's the goal. And that's why I said, if these intelligence agencies, particularly the Five Eye countries, New Zealand, Australia, United Kingdom, USA, and Canada, will unite, they can defeat these bloody Illuminatis. But, like I said, it's too late now. And the only hope I have now is my God Jehovah, the time when Armageddon comes, where he will cut off all of these wicked people, and most especially Satan. My God, Satan is really real. He's the ruler of this world. He's real. Demons, all of his demons spirit. Unbelievable. Anyway, guys, so and according to Dr. Eric Karlstrom, transhumanism, and they want to have a total control technology, mind control. We have now the AI, artificial intelligence. Do your own research, guys. You're sheeples. But the thing with you perps, minions, cockroaches, according to Dr. Eric Karlstrom, those who are taking part of this illegal, immoral, unconstitutional, satanic shadow government deep state program, if you're taking part of it, he said you're not just a minion, you're a cockroach. That's how he calls the perps, short for perpetrators. Anyway, so and that's it. So now to my handler. Moving on, I said this is for my handler. Their handler. Your cyber perps online. I don't know what you want me to do this time. I don't know how are you going to manipulate my life, particularly this time with my accommodation, because your minion landlord of mine here advised me to ask me if I'm looking. And I'm doing that. And you know that. And the surveillance team knew about it, that I've been looking. And I've been, writing on the wall on this Pinoy Facebook page about that I'm looking for a room to rent. So make up your mind. Okay? Like, dear handler, like, what do you want me to do this time? You've scripted my life. maybe I don't want to say 51 years of my life. Maybe when I was 6 years old, that was the time they started my working on my brain. So I'll just say, or maybe my handler when I was in the Philippines was different now with the one I have now in Australia. Who knows? I don't know. So this one is particularly with my handler now in Australia for the last 26 years that I've been in Australia. What do you want me to do now? How are you going to manipulate my accommodation this time? So I don't know. You have to. I just have particular requests if you want to give it. First, I want a room in a house. I don't want a room in a unit or in an apartment. Because you know why, what you've done to me in Wentworthville, yeah, when I was there, you've induced a lot of things. My perp upstairs, I don't know, he was an Arabic guy. He was for sure, he was like doing this directed energy weapon on me, microwave, millimeter wave, microwave weapon on me. And that's why I was drowsy at that time. I felt so different that time, drowsy, getting shortness of breath, and things like that in that apartment in Wentworthville. Yeah. On top of me, bottom, on the side, all of my neighbors there were pups. Yes. Unbelievable. And that's the reason why to I don't want to live in a unit. So how are you going with the medical COINTELPRO anyway? You got my blood test, you got my MRI. So did you find if I already have a tumor in my brain? So, or maybe even with my 5 keyholes surgery in 2012 at Westmead Hospital, who even knows if I have actually RFID as well, microchip in my body? Who knows? Because you're God. Anyways, to my handler, so I want a room in a house. I still prefer Filipino landlords. Don't give me this mafia, Indian mafia. Like I got a message on the page that they have they were saying like, there is available room in Tungabi on top of Woolworth. I know that one. I know that one. That one in Tungabi. That's an apartment. And I don't want to be in those Indian mafia. I want to give the business to your Filipino Pinoy minions, cockroaches, perps. Because you need more money. I want to give the business to you. To your CBA Filipino perps, whoever. So I prefer a Filipino landlords. And regardless, willing to sign a Centrelink rent assistance form. Who even knows that? You control everything. You've infiltrated everything. You've infiltrated all of religious organization, all of social associations, organizations, institutions, small, big businesses. Name it. Name it. Name it. This is so complex, really. Like, according to Dr. Eric Karlstrom, the video was 10 years ago, that in America, they had like 500,000 at that time. That was 10 years ago. Like TI, who are not aware that they are targeted individuals. I don't know how you live your life, guys. I don't know. I just can't fathom. I can't comprehend at all. I can't. And sometimes I think like, oh my God, like I can't do what you're doing to someone, like. And these people that you recruited, they think like, oh no, you're just gonna do this thing. This is just a script. But you don't know what if this targeted individual doesn't believe in God. There's no spirituality there at all. Doesn't believe in the Bible. And that's what you've done to my eldest daughter. She became an atheist. I don't know. And it's just like And to the Australian Security Intelligence Organization, dear handler, how many targeted individuals, particularly Filipino by nationality, that you watch when they committed suicide because they can't handle it anymore? They can't handle it anymore. There's no support system at all because that's one thing you have to sabotage: social life, religion, physical, finances, psychological, emotional. Those are the things that you have to sabotage. So, how many targeted individuals you watch committed suicide? I don't know. You're happy? And for sure, your Illuminati's bosses are for sure they're happy. They get the power, I think, when they see someone killing themselves. But me, never, never, never that I will kill myself. And also in this house, if I am found dead in this room at 28 Milson Road, Doonside 2767, New South Wales, Sydney, Australia. If I'm found dead in my room, that's not because I died naturally. That's because I got murdered by these two cockroaches of yours. These are your two cockroaches. This one, we call these provocateurs. I'm sorry, dear handler, that I have to do this because I know I'm in a paradigm. I got lots of good ones, perps, that I don't even mention their names, just out of respect and love for them. And as much I don't want to hate these two people, I just want to document that. You know, I don't want to feel any hatred towards these cockroaches of yours, my two housemates, Diane and Warren. Okay? But I have to document this. That's all. Anyway, so if I'm found dead, that's murder. And those are the two responsible with the approval of the Australian Security Intelligence Organization, Australian Security Intelligence Services, and the Australian Signal Directorate, and whoever my handler is. Unbelievable. Okay, so that's just my request, dear handler. In a house room and a Filipino landlords, I want to give the business to all of your Filipino minions. Unbelievable. Okay, and to the Hive Mind team, I already said about you're stuck with the blue. I'm immune now to it. Okay, and I'm verifying that. So thank me, dear Hive Mind team. And you brought back the green and orange sensitization. What's the difference this time? That's my question with my brainwave. Am I more harassed this time or I'm actually used to it? And the same with the motorbike. By the way, surveillance team and Hive Mind team, when your motorbike has no broom broom, I'm not harassed at all. I don't like react at all. I give you the hint. That's why I always have my earphone listening to music while driving. Okay? Okay, and to the surveillance team, your synchronization, not 100% perfect. You work on that. You have to work on that. It's still like slow. Sometimes they walk past, behind, or is slow. Or sometimes your perps drivers, I should be in the front so that I can see your perps doing all of those road street theaters. Oh, by the way, this one, before I say something about Philippines, Hive Mind team, dream manipulation on Monday night. So how did you went, Hive Mind team, with your dream manipulation on Monday night on me? Did you all masturbated while watching my brain on your computer screen? Yes? Dream manipulation. I will not mention because like with DOD whistleblower Brian Chu, he also get that a lot with his beta something programming. It's got something to do with sex. Okay, I've mentioned it. So did you all get masturbated? You've enjoyed it watching my brain, my dream manipulation, brain frequency, whatever. Unbelievable. You bloody pedophiles and pervs. Pervert. Oh. Anyway, okay, now moving on. Okay.